L-Europarlamentari Irlandiża Emer Costello tgħid li l-avvanz fid-drittijiet tan-nisa dejjem wasal bl-appoġġ ta' gvernijiet soċjal-demokratiċi bitwemmin progressiv, mhux l-inqas f'Malta. Tgħid li issa wasal iż-żmien li jsir pass il quddiem bil-proposti tal-Partit Laburista li jekk jingħata l-fiduċja se jkun l-aktar gvern femminista fl-istorja ta' Malta.
It's now time to strengthen what has been achieved. The proposals of the Labour Party in Malta on free childcare, incentives for women to join the workforce or open a business, and support for women in key positions, boardrooms, will give Malta the most feminist government in its history.
Emer Costello li qabel daħlet fil-Parlament Ewropew kienet sindku ta' Dublin tgħid li l-vot tal-poplu Malti Wawċi se jiddetermina jekk jibqax kollox kif inhu jew jekk issirx il-bidla meħtieġa.
With your vote in this election, you can decide what direction you want your country to take. It's a decision between having the status quo or strengthening what has been achieved and advancing.
L-Europarlamentari Belġjan Said El-Kadrawi jitkellem dwar ir-rieda tal-grupp tas-Soċjalisti u Demokratiċi li indirizza l-kriżi li laqtet lill-Ewropa. Jgħid li f'din il-ħidma hija kruċjali l-bidla fit-tmexxija ta' Malta.
These elections will be important not only for Malta but for the whole of Europe because we need strong left parties in each of our member states in order to change the course of Europe.
Said El-Kadrawi li ilu fil-Parlament Ewropew għal 10 snin jiddikjara li l-bidla fl-Ewropa, inkluż f'Malta, trid tkun ibbażata fuq il-ħolqien tax-xogħol, it-tishih fl-ekonomija u t-tfassil ta' soċjeta ġusta.
To do something about the youth unemployment, to do something about the economy and to have a fair redistribution of the wealth that is available.
L-Europarlamentari mill-Bulgarija Christian Vigenin li huwa l-Viċi President tal-Grupp tas-Soċjalisti fil-Parlament Ewropew jgħid li l-elezzjoni ġenerali tad-9 ta' Marzu hija importanti ħafna l-poplu Malti Wawċi.
I think that Joseph Muscat, as leader of the Labour Party, has a strong track record in the European Parliament. I had the chance to serve together with him in the Economic Committee of the European Parliament, and I know how strong he defended the positions of the ordinary people in Europe.
Christian Vigenin jisħaq fuq l-importanza li Malta jkollha Prim Ministru dinamiku bħal Joseph Muscat illi jista' joffri futur aħjar lil pajjiż li fl-2017 se jkun fit-tmum tal-Presidenza tal-Unjoni Ewropea.
Malta will have the presidency of the European Union in 2017, and it's important that the country which will lead the European Union will have a Prime Minister who is a dedicated European, a young and dynamic person. It's time for change, and Maltese people deserve a better government, a better leader and a better future.